Where's done?
We arrived in Osaka. Take the 4 train to Kyoto.
Yummy, yummy.
We were excited about seeing the most visited city in the world, but we
Can you
had
go
to
to
drop our
Japan,
bags off first. Our hotel, although fairly modern, had some of the smallest rooms we had ever seen. If you're going to Japan, you have to journey to Kyoto, a former capital of country and once the emperor's residence. In many parts of the city, little has changed. Old wooden houses and bridges still exist. Kyoto is known for its well-maintained temples, and there are hundreds still standing. We were off to see one of its oldest and most beautiful temples, Kiyomitsu, which means pure water. But part of the ritual before entering is washing your hands.